is your girl Allie, and I'm back again with another video, you guys. So today I will be actually doing these beautiful nails to show you guys how I actually did my nails and what I actually did. And I just wanted to show you guys how it look. These are my Halloween colored nails. And yes, honey, let me put a little bit more light so you guys can see. Ooh. Alright. Alright. Look at that. You guys. And I'm going to tell you from doing my nails for a while, you guys. Woo. Okay, you guys. Also, welcome to the people that are new to my channel. My channel is about hair, beauty, and nails, you guys. If you like what you see, don't forget to hit that subscribe button that's down below on your right hand side in red. And don't forget to like this video and share this video to any and everybody, you guys. Okay, so right now I'm going to go ahead and dive into the video and let you guys see how I actually created these nails and how beautiful they are. And I also will list each and every item that I actually use. So everything that I use, I'm actually going to have it in the video, and it will be also in the description box as well below. Okay, you guys. All right, you guys. Enjoy this video, and thank you each and everyone for watching. We're actually applying to my hands now. So just want to open the box to show you guys how they look. In a second, just trying to get it open, get the little tape off of here. Okay. All right, you guys, so I'm just prepping my nails real quick. Cleaning it up real quick. All right, so now I'm just basically gonna apply my nails on, measuring them with each one, and I do both sides at the same time. All right, guys. Now I'm just filing the nail and my nail together to blend in the tip with my nails. Sorry, you guys, for the noise in the background. Okay. All right. So now I cut my nails down the way I wanted, to the length. Okay, you guys. One thing I learned too when I first started doing my nails, that it was bad to apply a color acrylic or any type of colored acrylic before the clear, because it kind of stains your nail. So now I apply the clear acrylic over my nail first when I'm doing, before I add a color. So right now I'm basically putting the dehydrator on and then the primer on before I apply anything to my nails, you guys. So I'm basically using the same method that you would do when you do the dip, the dip with the acrylic. So I ran out of the nail glue that actually came with the quick nail dip. So I'm basically using the brush on nail glue, and I'm just basically brushing that on and dipping my nail into the clear powder acrylic. So that's what I'm doing one layer, and then I'm doing color. So I'm going to be doing orange. I'm going to do orange on one nail and black on the other. It's basically showing you guys I'm doing it. So I basically do it like 2 or 3 times to give it a little get it a little thickness to it. So that's pretty much what I'm doing, as you can see. Okay, it's looking good. It's looking good. All right, and I'm just basically just dusting it off with the dust brush so you can see how it look. And then I'm gonna go ahead and do the other hand once I'm done with this end. And I just basically apply it on, and I'm just basically just dusting it off with the dust brush so you can see how it look. And then I'm gonna go ahead and do the other hand once I'm done with this end. And I just basically apply it on, and I just basically apply it on, and basically dip my nail into, then I do a clear on top of each nail as well after I do the color, because I don't want to foul off all that color. So that's why I do a clear on top of that color as well. Alright, so what I'm putting on it now, I'm using the monomer with the acrylic brush. I use the monitor with the sorry you guys. I use the monomer to pet on top of the thumbnail so that my thumb, the acrylic would dry. So basically that's the same thing that they have in the bottle. So if you get the quick dip set, I realized that it's pretty much the same thing. You could do it. You don't necessarily have to buy the kit from all those you don't have to, sorry you guys, you don't have to buy that same kit from Sally's or Amazon. You basically have all the materials that you, all the things that you need at the house, as long as you have the monomer, your acrylic, and you have and you also have your nail tip. If you need tips, you want to use tips, all you need is the tips, the acrylic, and nail glue, and make sure it has like a little brush so you can brush it on your nail. And you have the monomer. You can pet the monomer on there with your acrylic brush, and then the monomer will basically seep into the acrylic that is laying there, that's being held together with the glue. It will definitely go into there and cure it so that it can actually get hard, and then you will be able to shape it and mold it into the style that you want it once you do that. So basically I'm just following the same thing on the next hand, repeating the same thing on the next hand that I did on my left hand. So I'm applying the glue, the nail glue, on my finger, and I'm going to dip it into the acrylic again to give it another layer. Just dust it off a little bit. Boom, boom, boom. All right. And I'm doing the same step with this one, and I'm going to do the orange on this one real quick. Okay, you guys. So I'm basically going to dust it off again and continue to do the same thing over and over. And that's pretty much the steps that I did within doing it, you guys. And at the very end, I'm just gonna basically show you guys how pretty the nails came out, and it looks really, really good, you guys. I'm gonna actually use a gel base and a top base, and I'm going to let it cure underneath the light for at least 30 seconds. After I let it cure underneath the light, you guys, I'm actually going to show you how it looks, and it looks really pretty. It came out good, and this is my Halloween colors that I have picked out. And you guys, oh my gosh, I'm getting really good in shaping my nails. That was one issue that I had at the beginning when I first started doing my nails. And gradually, as the time go by, as a number one thing, you know that practice become perfect. So the more you practice, the more better you get. And you guys, I'm getting there. So next, I'm just going to be doing a little bit more designs and a little more styles, do a little twist with it. And you guys, bear with me and don't come for me when I start putting these videos on here, because I'm basically trying out different little things with my nails. And I'm telling you, honey, I won't have to see a nail salon no more. That's for not even for my hands or my toes, unless I want to just basically just to be pampered. But other than that, that's about it. But just wanted to let you guys see this, you honey. I'm loving the colors. I like the way it look, and it is looking flawless. Alright, you guys. Alright, so I'm basically gonna let you guys enjoy the rest of the video. Just wanted to kind of give you guys a little detail of what I was doing, what I was using specifically to mold the nail together, and how it sticked and so forth, from what I was actually using. And I wanted to test this out. So basically I test out this method to see exactly what was going on and how to get it done. And I'm like, hey, you know what, let's try it this way, because I bought the quick dip, the little kit. If you look at my videos that I had, I was trying out the quick dip set that I bought from Sally's, and pretty much the same thing that you could do with the quick dip set, the quick dip set, is pretty much what you could do with what you already have, if you already have acrylic and everything at home. And I figured it out, you guys. So pretty much I felt like I kind of wasted money, but I didn't. So I learned something. So, you know, if you don't try a little twist of different things, you know, you wouldn't even know if you had wasted a little money, or you would, you know, sometimes you're better off checking to see what you can do differently to save you a little money. And now I know that I didn't have to buy another dip set because I was out of the glue and certain things I was out of. So now I know that I can use exactly what I have at home. So just wanted to share that with you guys. All right, you guys. Well, I will see each and every one of y'all next week, Tuesday and Wednesday. And enjoy, and thanks for watching.